Hello guys, welcome back in our design pattern series, and today we're gonna discuss builder design pattern. Builder design pattern basically separate the construction of a complex object from its representation so that the same construction process can create different representations for us. Let me explain you this definition by graphical view so that you understand it better. Now the first step of our builder pattern is need to know about the object representation, which defining the structure of our object. Now here in our example we have object representation of meal, with specifying the structure of our object by including pizza, fries, drink and packaging in it. Then second is our object construction, which represent a construction of our object. Here we have our meal builder, which specifying three meals: regular meal, medium meal and large meal. Now if we change anything in our object representation, it will never impact our construction. Then third and most important part of our builder pattern is director, because director class control the algorithm that generate the final product object. Director simply notifies the builder whenever a part of the meal should be built. If we sum up this graphical example, director managing the order of our functionality, that how it will be implemented step by step, and meal builder will be a base class in which we will have aggregate property of meal type, and by using this we will implement all the function of these regular meal, medium meal or large meal classes. Now let's move to our practical example. So first of all we will create our meal and then its builder, and after it we will assemble it in our director. So let's see. Let's add meal class. Normally meal will be a complex object by getting data from different classes. Like for pizzas we have different factory or class, but now for the sake of simplicity I'm just using properties here, but normally these all properties will refer from different classes. So this meal object we will use. Next I'm gonna create our builder. Now for builder I'm not gonna use interface but using abstract class, cause we will use meal type property here with other abstract functions. Next I'm going to write its specializations and implement this abstract class. Now in this regular meal I'm going to implement meal builder, and in its constructor I'm going to create new meal object. Now by using this meal object I will create all the properties of it. Now exactly like this regular meal class, I need to implement two more specifications using meal builder, medium meal and large meal. Okay, our meal and meal builder classes are created. Next we need to create our director class. In this director class I'm going to create a function assemble meal and pass a parameter meal builder in it. Now in a particular order we will call all the functions from our builder. First I'm calling pizza, then fries, then drinks, and last will be is takeaway. Let's pass second parameter is takeaway to make it more simpler. So the responsibility of our director class is to assemble the meal in a particular order, and we can have second parameter optional, and pass is takeaway true by default, and I think it should be static so that it will use just to initialize our object. Now let's call it from our main function. Let's create meals first. Now against our meal representation we just created construction here, but actual object is not assembled yet, and it will assembled by director. Now let's console.writeline our meal, and here we have 3 pizzas, medium pizza, regular pizza and large pizza. As you can see, our object is initialized here. You can also call other properties of meals, but I just call here pizza. So guys, this was our builder design pattern. Hope you understand it. If you have any confusion or any question, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.